Hey guys, I have these two Lei tutorials as YouTube shorts, but here's a more detailed and slightly different version of them. For the ribbon lei, I made a double strand instead of a single strand. I used 3/8 of an inch satin ribbon, in the colors royal blue and white. I used 2 pieces of ribbon that were each 5 yards and 10 inches long. The extra 10 inches were to make a bigger bow. I tied them together at 11 inches. Then made a loop. The longer end should always be in front. Turn the other ribbon 90 degrees, wrap around it, and make a loop. Place it through the previous loop and tighten it. Tighten the other ribbon as well. Continue making loops and alternating ribbons. This is the front pattern and this is the back. I made one in blue. I counted 80 loops on each side, which made the length about 42 inches. Pull the ribbon through the last loop and make a knot. I also made one in white. I paired the beginning of the blue with the end of the white. Then I undid the knots and tied them all together. I twisted the colors 10 times. Undid the knots and tied them all together. Double knot the ends and make a bow. I burnt the ends so it wouldn't fray. And here's how it turned out. For the quick lei, you could use a wide straw or a regular straw. The wide straw gives you a thicker, fuller lei, but uses more yarn, about 2 bundles of each color. The regular straw gives you a thinner lei and uses less yarn, about 1.5 bundles of each color. I used long lash yarn, in the colors royal blue and white. For the wide straw, I used 3/8 of an inch ribbon, and I cut it at 60 inches. Feed the ribbon through the straw and tape the end. Add a clip to the other end, so that the yarn doesn't unravel. Next, double knot the yarn on the ribbon. Don't make it too tight, the knot should be able to glide across the ribbon. Place the knot at the end of the straw. Wrap the yarn around the straw and slide it down. Continue doing this until you get the length that you want. They were supposed to be the same length, but the blue yarn was shorter. To add a new strand, make a double or triple knot and cut the extra yarn. Then continue wrapping. Remove the straw and clip. Then double or triple knot the end of the yarn. With the ribbon, make a knot at the ends. I also added a bit of yarn with it. Then cut the extra yarn. Tie the ends together. Make a bow and burn the ends. For the regular straw, I used 1/8 of an inch ribbon. Choose a ribbon width that fits the straw you decide to use. The steps are the same. Feed the ribbon through the straw, tape the end, and add a clip to the other end. Double knot the yarn on the ribbon. And place the knot at the end of the straw. Wrap the yarn around the straw and slide it down. Continue doing this until you get the length that you want. Then remove the straw and clip, and double or triple knot the end of the yarn. Make a knot at the ends with the ribbon and a bit of yarn. Cut the extra yarn, tie the ends together, and make a bow. You could add a bigger bow afterward. And here's how it turned out.